Okay, hello, I'm going to show you how to install cracked applications onto a non-jailbroken device, such as an iPad 2. So the prerequisites to do this is macOS X 10.6, 10.7 or 10.5 might work too, but I can guarantee you that 10.6 works. You need to have Xcode 3.2.5 or 3.2.6. Earlier versions of Xcode 3.2 might work as well, but Xcode 4.0 will not work. And you need to have the UDID of the device you're installing on activated, and provisioning profile or developer certificate. You can get both of these for about $20 at iOSactivations.com. Okay, so first step, you need to use this code here to assign an application. Copy that. Then this one. And then the next thing you do, you copy this part. And then where it says iPhone developer, you're going to put in your developer certificate, the common name of your provisioning profile. So I'm going to get mine quickly from my keychain. This right here. And since there's spaces, I got to put it in quotes. And then here where it says 1, you have to put the path to your application there. So say I want to install Sword and Sorcery IPA. I need to change it to a .zip. Use zip, and then I need to extract it, which I already have here. And then go to the payload folder, and then there's the .app right there. And all you have to do is drag it to there, and then done. You should say it should say something along the lines of replacing signature or something along the lines of that. And now it's signed and ready to be installed onto your non-jailbroken device. So I'm going to copy it now. Open up Xcode. And then all you have to do is drag and drop this into the applications. And then you'll see it copying right here. So step 1 is to use that code here. Step 2 is to drag and drop an Xcode. You should see now it's verifying, and then it should finish up. And if you don't get any errors, it's now installed on your non-jailbroken device. Drag and drop into Xcode. Little note here. Okay, I'll be making a new video in a little bit of common errors and how to fix them. Anything else I need to tell you? Oh yeah, so you can also use this method to install other applications onto that jailbroken device. I have some here. Like say calculator.app for the iPhone. So I got this app here. I just used this program here, and I copied it off of my iPhone. I'll show you that real quickly. Root applications and calculator.app. So you just drag and drop that. So then, just like before, I already ran the first two commands, so now I just need to run the third one again. So I'm just going to copy that here. And then I'm going to drag and drop calculator. Replacing signature, so now it's good. And now I can copy it into my non-jailbroken iPad 2. And this also works from installous, for the program installous. Let me open up this again. Let's switch back to my iPhone. So yeah, just root applications, and then you can just drag and drop installous, which is right here, and I've already done that here. So here's installous, and so I'm just gonna do the same thing again. Drag and drop installous. Replacing invalid existing signature, so that means the signature before was invalid, but now it's replaced, so now it's good. And I can copy it to my iPad again. Okay, drag and drop installous. Oh, yeah, replace. I already had it on, so I had to replace it. And there. So with installous and some other applications, you might run into some errors. So watch my next video, which will be showing you how to fix those errors. I also tried iFile, MyY. I was unable to get those ones to work as they rely on an actual jailbreak. Okay, this is my non-jailbroken iPad 2. You can see it's an iPad 2, it's in white. Here I have photo booth, front-facing camera, yep. So you can see I was able, with my method I just showed you, I could install a calculator. Works just as you'd expect. And I was also able to install some other things like clock.app. Mobile phone doesn't really do much, just FaceTime. And I was able to get Tarantula, which actually does work, but you can't download torrents from it because you need Safari Download Manager, which you can't get on a non-jailbroken device. And here's Sword and Sorcery that I just showed you that I installed right there. And I was able to install installous. So works just as it should. You can view apps. You can download apps. I'm just gonna go ahead and download an app here that I've already purchased. It's a good app, by the way. And now it's downloading. There we go. Now what you will not be able to do is install it directly from here. As installous is running in sandbox mode, it can't touch anything other than itself. But you can then plug your iPad into your computer, copy the app that you just downloaded over, CODESIGN it in terminal, and copy it back on. So installous works as a good app browser and app downloader. Okay, now it's completed, and when I try to install it, it will work because it's in sandbox mode. See, it's attempting right there. Okay, it's not really an invalid iPad, it's just can't install. I'm going to delete this now. Yeah, hey, I'm back again, and just realized I forgot to show you that Sword and Sorcery actually that I just installed does work. Now, in this case, I have purchased this application, but say you wanted to test an application before you buy it, you can, using my method, install it like this onto a non-jailbroken device like my iPad 2. Oh, okay.